Are you looking for the best MagSafe wallets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best MagSafe wallets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. QYQBOON Mag-Safe Wallet for iPhone. The QYQBOON Mag-Safe Wallet offers a strong magnetic hold, ensuring it securely attaches to your iPhone in just 1 second. This feature lets you use your phone confidently, without the worry of it falling off. It also includes an adjustable stand that supports 3 viewing angles, allowing you to watch videos or make video calls hands-free. The wallet's smart design features 3 card slots, keeping your essentials organized without adding bulk. Additionally, it protects your cards from demagnetization and unauthorized RFID scanning, ensuring your identity and financial information remain safe. What we like: strong magnetic connection, sturdy and well-constructed, functional phone stand, holds multiple cards securely, stylish design. What we don't like: limited color options. Thickness may not suit everyone. Number 2. ESR MagSafe Wallet 5 Card Holder. The ESR MagSafe Wallet offers a sleek and functional solution for carrying essentials. With the ability to hold up to 5 cards or a combination of cards and cash, it meets your needs for any occasion. Its impressive magnetic strength, boasting 3,200 G, ensures a secure fit to your iPhone, preventing accidental drops. Accessing your cards is a breeze, thanks to a specially designed slot that allows for quick retrieval. Made from vegan leather, this wallet combines style and comfort, fitting easily into your pocket while securely holding your items. What we like: strong magnetic hold, compact and slim design, durable and high-quality materials, holds multiple cards securely, easy card access. What we don't like: can add bulk to phone, may not suit minimalists. Number 3. Pelican Magnetic Wallet and Card Holder for iPhone. The Pelican Magnetic Wallet and Card Holder for iPhone is a heavy-duty, detachable hard-shell lightweight wallet that holds up to 4 credit/debit cards, IDs, business cards, cash, coins, and more. It is MagSafe compatible and has super strong magnets that provide a robust connection between the wallet and your MagSafe compatible phone, holding up to 3x your phone's weight. Additionally, it is IPX4 rated water resistant and made from a heavy-duty hard-shell impact polymer, ensuring long-term use. What we like: strong magnet attachment, good card and cash capacity, solid construction and design, water-resistant features, convenient for minimalists. What we don't like: limited card capacity. Magnets may detach over time. Number 4. ESR MagSafe Wallet with Find My. The ESR MagSafe Wallet offers exceptional convenience for your daily needs. With full Find My support, you'll receive alerts if you accidentally leave it behind, and you can track its location in real time. The smart card storage allows you to carry up to 5 cards or 4 cards with some cash, all while protecting them from demagnetization. This wallet features a strong magnetic hold, ensuring a secure fit to your iPhone and precise alignment. Plus, easy card access is just a cut away, making it a stylish and functional accessory for your iPhone. What we like: strong magnets, more card space, Find My feature, durable build quality, affordable alternative. What we don't like: requires charging every 3 months. Number 5. ESR MagSafe Wallet. The ESR MagSafe Wallet is a versatile accessory designed for iPhone 14, 13, 12 series. It features full Apple-certified Find My functionality, allowing you to track its real-time location, play a sound, and receive left-behind notifications. With 2x stronger magnets than the official MagSafe wallet, your important items will stay securely attached to your phone. The lightweight design holds 1 to 3 cards securely and provides instant access to your cards. The wallet also doubles as a multi-view stand, offering a stable and adjustable stand at any angle for hands-free FaceTime, video watching, or browsing. Additionally, the specially designed finger loop provides a comfortable grip on the go. With comprehensive customer support, including setup videos, FAQs, a 12-month warranty, and lifetime support, the ESR MagSafe Wallet is a reliable and convenient accessory for your iPhone. What we like: strong magnetic attachment. Holds up to 3 cards. Slim and portable design. Kickstand feature for convenience. Premium leather finish. What we don't like: may show wear over time. Could be bulky for some.